All right, so you're gonna take the lawnmower apart so we can fix the carburetor, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Sometimes you gotta take the top off, the pull string part, so go ahead and take the top off. Come on, stay going. All right, hand it here.
Oh.
And then the other two. Should be out, yep. Hand it here. See, the drill makes it so much faster, doesn't it? That one's out. All right, lift the top off. I'll hold the drill. All right, now just, yep, put it back there. See, it opens up all that space so you can actually get to the carburetor.
Yep.
All right, here. Start taking the carburetor off. That's the big, nope, it's over here. That's the bigger socket, so it goes on these two outside ones. All right, it's out. Yep. Stay going. It's not all the way out yet. There you go. All right, pull that socket off. Take this socket. That goes for the two smaller ones. Should be out far enough. There you go. Now, when we're putting it back together, you got to be gentler. But
Yeah.
see, it just comes right off.
What's
See?
next?
Now, said what's next?
Mm-hmm.
All right, put all this right here so you don't lose it. See, since it's carburetor cover, you ain't gonna lose that big old chunk. Just put all your screws and such in there. Put it off to the side. And take this, slide it off. Come on. It's the fuel hose on the bottom. So grab the flathead and the needle nose pliers right there too. They're just sitting right here on top. So you'll need that. Nope, the flathead screwdriver. That was a file.
Which size?
Either one should be fine. All right. Then you'll kind of see where the hose is. I already took off the clamp. You take this, kind of wiggle it in there. If that doesn't work, you'll take these pliers. Grab the carburetor. No, grab the carburetor. And you grab the hose. You got to be gentle because these plastic carburetors, you don't want to break nothing. Here, hold this for a minute. Alright, you just twist, start getting it loose, and then it eventually just pops off. Now this will leak fuel out. So what I do to stop it, I take the extension, the small extension for the socket, just jam it right into the hose. Fits right in. Alright, now what's next? Since we got the hose off, it's a little bit more free, we can move it. Since my hands are so big, I gotta use needle nose pliers to hold these to take them out, because I don't have room to work. This is the carburetor, and it's actually missing the bolts that hold the bottom float on. Now you don't want to stab yourself. You can stab yourself pretty easily with this. Now it just doesn't want to come free. See if I can get it in right there. Yep, nope, you're being a pain. Oh, there we go. Since it was missing the bolts, or they would never put it on, I'm not sure. See? Now the bottom's out. It's all open. That's just excess fuel that was in it.
Smells like gas.
Yeah. But with these, got your jets and everything that are in it. You'll take this. All it is throttle body cleaner. If it's having a hard time starting or something, you find where all your jets are and you blast this into it. Now, can you see in there? You just blast this in it and it knocks out the little junk that gets stuck in there from the fuel. And since this one was already working, I'm just showing you how to clean it pretty quickly. And like I said, since it was missing the bolts, it just sits right on there. And it all just goes back together exactly how we took it apart. So, take these, line them back in, get it back kind of in position. See? That back hole lines up with that right there, and it sits on there pretty snug as is, but once we bolt it down, it'll be even tighter. Take this, pop that out. Before we put it all back together, since we didn't take the fuel tank off, it's just easier this way. Move your hose clamp back to where it goes. And pop it on. See? It's set on now. Nope, we're still going. Now we start putting this part back together. Alright, there's the drill. I'll take the phone. Here's that. Here, you want me to hold those? Just dump them into my hand. I think you missed one. Oh no, I thought it fell. It didn't.
What?
Alright, now, oh, see, this is the back. Flip it this way. It goes right there. Grab that hose. That hose has to go onto there. There you go. Alright. You starting with the outside or the inside bolts?
Inside, because that's just... Wait.
No, start with the outside. Do the bigger one. Yep, and then these two. Nope, nope, nope. That's the top. Yep, that one. It goes right there in the outside. It's what actually forces the air filter housing to hold. And did you switch it back?
Oh my gosh.
Nah. Nope, you didn't switch. There you go. Alright, now keep, it's not magnetic, so you gotta,
Gosh, I wish this was magnetic.
it's not, no. And don't go too fast. Alright, go on. You can go a bit faster than that. Okay. You just don't want to screw it so fast that you're wide open, because drills will kick. And if your face is too close to it, you'll kick yourself in the face with a drill if you're going too fast. That one's cockeyed. Back it up. Alright, straighten it up. Got it?
Yep.
Go a little bit more. Alright.
Do I change the size?
Yep, change sockets. And this is for the little silver bolts. Those are what hold the housing to the carburetor. Is it not lining up?
I don't think so.
Well, look, get low and look.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Not this side.
Alright, here. Let me see. Hold that. We have those. Alright, whenever it doesn't line up, you'll just knock these out of hair. You're not supposed to tighten them down all the way at first, but just since I'm teaching you, I'm trying to let you figure stuff out too. And if you don't know what it is, then I'll show you. Alright, I gotta get lower so I can see. No. Yep, see, it's just dropped a little. So. Oops. Why is it that one lining up? I think you put one in cockeyed. There we go. That's better. Give it a second. All right. Go ahead and tighten them in some. Nope, wrong way. It's on reverse still. Come on.
It's too big.
Oh. There you go. Alright, now the other one. Alright, switch sockets. That ant crawling on you?
Yeah. The big one.
You gotta put them both in? You can straighten it up while it's like that. Just angle up the drill some. There, nope. Right there. Right there. See? Alright, stay going. That wasn't all the way tight. Other one. There you go. It's too big for that one, remember? Careful, see, that's what I meant, that the drill will kick if you squeeze the trigger too hard. Alright, switch back to the big one.
I got this.
You got it? Alright.
It hurt my knees.
What, from squatting down? Alright, you gotta get it on there where it lines up. Is it lined up? No?
No.
Pull the
There's a lizard.
pull the cord some. Wrong. There you go. There. See? It's just the teeth on that weren't meshing up. But some of these bolts are different sizes, so you got to pay attention to the order at which they come out. But since these are all the same size, you're not worried about it. So you can put them in however. Is it not lined up? Nope, it's off. There. Don't put it all the way tight yet. Next two.
That one was
I
all the
said
way
don't
tight.
put it all the way tight. Loosen it up a hair. There you go. Alright, next two. And what's the number one rule if you got long hair and power tools?
Gotta put it up.
Gotta what?
Put it up.
Okay.
You gotta put it up.
Because what happens if your hair gets caught on that?
It's gonna spin and
Rip your hair out. Alright. Yep, finish tightening them up. And that's basically it. So, you want to see if you can start it?
I guess.
You guess. You're supposed to be like, yeah, I did all the work. Let me get it going. Alright. You gotta, nope, you gotta pull the throttle. Yep, there you go.
Now I just pull it.
Yep.
I gotta pull it hard.
Yeah. Can't be no little
I
pull.
can't pull it like